Hello boys and girls, this is going to be the second video of our online learning, at home learning. So this is the second lesson of our fraction unit, and it is all about parts of a whole. So in my last video I told you guys that fractions are a part of a whole, and so we're really just going to practice very quickly. This video is really short, just parts of a whole. So I have drawn us a few pictures. I have 3 of them. The first picture is our whole. So this whole picture is our whole piece. Think of it again as that whole orange. Now, we have to come up with fractions. Now, we know when we draw fractions, we always have to have our lines, okay? Then that's called our fraction line. Then we have to have a number on the top and a number on the bottom, and we'll get into the next few lessons about what those numbers are actually called. But for now, we'll just focus that we need to have a number on the top and a number on the bottom. Okay, and it says the part that is blue. So our first step is to decide how many parts of our whole do we actually have. So let's count our parts. We have 1, 2, 3. So we know that in both of these fractions, the part that is blue and the part that is not blue, we are going to have a 3 on the bottom because those are our parts of our whole. Now we have to color the part of the whole that is blue. If we look, our parts of our whole that is blue is 1, 2, 3. So 3 out of 3 parts, or 3/3, is blue. Now this means that our whole, this does equal 1, okay, because we know that our whole is colored in blue. Now, the part that is not blue is 0. We don't have any fraction of our whole colored in that is not blue, okay? It is all colored in. Now let's do the same thing in our second example. So first step, again, is to count our number of pieces in our whole. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So we know we have 12 pieces in our whole altogether. Remember, this column is our parts of our whole that are blue. So let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So we are going to put a 9 on the top. 9/12 of our whole is blue. Now this one is the part of a whole that is not blue. So that is 3. 3/12 of our whole is not blue. Our whole is 12. These are our 2 pieces. Now if you look, if you add 9 and 3 together, that equals our 12, and that gives us our full whole 12 pieces. So that way you know that you are correct. In our last example, we have different colors this time, but we are still just looking for our parts that are blue. So let's first count our parts. We'll start at the blue. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. We have 8 parts to our whole. Now we need to figure out how many parts are blue. We have 1, 2 blue pieces. So 2 parts of our 8 pieces of our whole are blue, 2/8. Then we have the rest of them. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6/8 of our whole is not blue. So that is how we do parts of a whole. It will tell you the shaded region. It'll tell you this color, not this color. So if you pay attention to the directions, you will be able to see which parts of a whole you have. And you know how to write fractions with a fraction line, a number on the top. That's the part of your whole. Part of your whole is the top. Part of whole is the top piece. Your whole pieces, or all pieces, is your bottom number. All right, thank you very much, guys.